Hi, this is Sharon Lim, independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're doing a double Z fold card. So enjoy the little things and everything else will work out. I use the Friend Like You stamp set along with the Friendly Silhouette dies. I keep them together with magnets. So it looks like this. So let's get started. So you're going to start with a base card that is 4 1/4 by 11, and you scored at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. Then a piece of garden green that is 2 3/8 by 11 and scored the same measurements, 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. I'm going to use my bone folder to get some really good creases. So first you're going to fold in half. And fold the first score back. So it makes that shape. And you're going to do the same with this side. Fold in half. And then fold it back. So you're going to have these two shapes. I'm going to set those aside for a second. I'm going to show you the DSP that I used. And it is the Forever Greenery Designer Series paper. 2 pieces, one that is 2 1/2 by 4, and another one that's 2 1/2 by 2. And I also, let's see, I'm going to take my stamp and seal. I put a little T at the top to remind me where to put that. And I'm just going to put some adhesive on this side, just centering it here. And then the full side here. On the second panel. I'm going to put this down. It's a little hard to do it while you're holding it up. That's better. And the key to it is you're going to put the base card this way, in this shape. And then, do you remember how you had this the same? The only thing you have to do different is that you just flip this one over this way. And I'll pause just so you can see what it looks like. Then I cut out the little cattails die out of some old olive to go on top of the garden green. And I'll lay this down. And then all you need to do is put some adhesive on just this square of the card. And you're only going to just stick this here, and you want to line up the sides. So that's the only part that's sticking. Then the second part is you're going to fold this part over and put some adhesive on this side, because that's the only part you want to stick. And again, you want to line it up on the corner and on the edge to make sure that it's straight. And then what's really cool is when it folds to be a complete card. Okay. Then I'm going to bring the sentiments in. I'm going to put my cap with the T on top. I'm going to grab some garden green ink. And I'll do the first sentiment that says enjoy the little things on the first flap. Then everything else will work out on the second flap. And then I thought it'd be cute to have a couple dragonflies here and here. Looks like they're flying in. And then I also stamped another set of the dragonflies and used the die to cut these out. So delicate and cute. And I put mini dimensionals on the back. So if you peel those off, that would be a nice accent here on the front. And if you're wondering, where's the room to write? I am a big writer, so I like writing stuff, so you can do it on the back. So that is the Double Zevo card. And again, love cards that entertain me, that open and close and flip. So this is it. So thanks for letting me share this with you. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and I look forward to making more videos for you. Thanks. Bye.